No problem. Fine. Done. Then let's go for children. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter called practical geometry. Right? Here we have got in this chapter, today's learning will be an introduction and the tools used for geometrical construction. Coming down to the very important, the shapes that you normally have drawn. These are the practical shapes. Geometry tells about the lines, angles, shapes, and practical geometry in that is all about constructing of these shapes, such as a triangle, a square, and a circle, that which I have shown you. Remember, practical geometry is an important branch of mathematics. Especially, it is an important branch, sub-branch of geometry, which deals with the study of the size, position, shape, as well as dimension of the objects while constructing. Now, what are the tools that we use to construct? Children, you might have seen a geometry box. In this geometry box, normally we have the devices. What are the devices that we come across? Alright, these are the devices. One by one we will discuss. First one, ruler. This is the ruler, okay, a new one I am showing you. What is the purpose of this ruler? A ruler is a straight edge which we sometimes calls as a scale. We calls it as a scale. It is marked with the centimeters. It is marked with the centimeters on one side. On the other side, it is marked with the inches. It is used mainly for drawing line segments. It is mainly used for drawing line segments. Children, here I am telling you the main purpose of the ruler, or it is called as a scale also. It is mainly used to draw line segments, and even it is used to measure the line segments. Right? This is the ruler. So, figure also have shown. Here on this ruler, one side we have got inches. Okay. Here you could see from here to here it is 1 inch. And so on, you have got a 15 centimeter scale or a 6-inch scale. Okay. You know, here the other end we have got centimeter, where this 1 centimeter divided into 10 equal parts. The 10 equal parts, each part is called millimeter. So 1 centimeter divided into 10 millimeter. Okay. You could see that small gap between one line to the next subsequent line. Okay. Here, this is small scale is called either 15 centimeter scale or 6-inch scale, or it is called half a foot scale. ओके नेक्स्ट देखिए इस स्केल में हमको 15 सेंटीमीटर होता है, एक तरफ 15 सेंटीमीटर दिखाया होगा, हर एक सेंटीमीटर को 10 समभाग किया होगा. ईच द स्मॉल पार्ट दैट जो स्मॉल गैप है उसको हम 1 मिलीमीटर करके बोलते हैं। तो हर सेंटीमीटर को 10 मिलीमीटर डिवाइड किया होगा, 10 मिलीमीटर भाग किया होगा। ओके, देन द अदर साइड, और एक तरफ स्केल के ऊपर इंचेस मार्क किया गया होता है। तो इस स्केल हाफ ए फुट स्केल करके पुकारेंगे, यानी तो 6 इंच स्केल या बोलेंगे, या 15 सेंटीमीटर स्केल करके बोलेंगे। होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। देन coming to the next instrument which we have got in a box. What is the next instrument we have got in a box? Okay, then we have the next instrument, the compass. You have seen this one, okay, where we will have one side metal end. Okay, one side we will have metal end, another side we normally place a pencil. We place it here and we will fix it. This is called compass. Okay, what is the purpose of this compass? The compass has two ends, one a pointer and the other is for the pencil. It is used to draw arcs. We normally draw keeping this metal end on one point as a constant. We rotate the pencil end. This is mainly used for drawing arcs and circles. It is used to draw arcs and circles. Arc is actually a part of the circle. Arc is a part of the circle. This is one figure which I have shown you. So children, here this is called metal end, and you know this is obviously pencil end. And what is the purpose of this compass? Compass is mainly used to draw arcs and circles, and even it is also to measure the line segments. In fact, we do not prefer using this compass for measuring line segments. For that purpose, we use another fellow. What is another fellow? He is the another fellow who will have both ends. Okay, who will have both ends metals only. This is called divider. This is called divider. Okay, so we will have divider mainly used for measuring line segments. How it is used? Suppose, let's say you have got a line segment like this given, you will keep a metal end on one side and another metal end on another end of the line segment. So you will take this metal ends to a ruler and place and measure. Okay, so we will take it on the scale. This gap, how much we have taken, or the distance between two metal ends, we will measure using ruler. Okay, this is the method of doing. So children, mainly the compass purpose is drawing arcs or drawing circles only. Okay, then moving to the next instrument, the divider. Just now I mentioned the divider is this one. It is a pair of pointers on both ends. It is used to compare the lengths of lines and arcs, and even to measure the arcs. And even to measure the arcs, we use the divider only. Then moving on to the next instrument that we have got in geometry box. That next instrument is set squares. What are these set squares? Children, a pair of triangle shapes you might have seen. This is one triangle shape which you normally have. Another triangle shape, okay, instrument, this one. These are, though they are triangle in shape, but they are called set squares. They are called set squares, children. So what is the purpose of these set squares? See, amongst them, one is having such a way that here one edge being longer, another edge being shorter. Okay, both here set squares, if you observe, they are having a shape of right angled triangle only, provided in one we will have edges being equal. In this one, where edges are equal, in this edges are one being longer, another being shorter, okay. So these both together are called set squares. What is the purpose of this set squares? The purpose of this set squares is mainly to draw parallel lines, to draw perpendicular lines. You will come to know method of doing, method of drawing perpendicular lines, method of method of constructing perpendicular lines, method of constructing parallel lines with the help of set squares. Children, I am trying to show you, keeping very close to this laptop camera. Since they are transparent, may not be visible. That's why I'm showing you figure wise also. Okay, this is one. Okay, so here is the one, a shorter set square having angles being 45 degrees, 45 degrees, okay, 45, 45, and one is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees perpendicular. So this set square have got both of its edges, okay, both the sides, two sides of it are equal, okay, these two sides are equal, okay. Then one is having 45 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles at the corners. If we join two same triangular pieces, we will get a square shape like this, they say, okay. In fact, we get a such of two, if you keep, you'll get a square shape, okay. Now suppose if I take here another same set square, here we will have a let me draw properly, erase. Here the same set square, if I take the same size, you will have the same one. If I take this side, you will have a exactly a square formed, okay. Then there is another one, okay, there is another one which is having this 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. This set square is, if we join two triangular pieces of the same shape with the same shape, you'll get another rectangle shape. It's a rectangle. It forms a rectangle. Okay, it forms a rectangle. I'll show you practically. Okay, children. Then I'm actually stop sharing here and I'm coming to another sharing. Yeah, can you see this one? Okay, right. Arjun, what happened? Are you not able to see? Okay, let me go for stop sharing. Okay, can you see those what I have shown? Harsh, Pritam,
Yes, sir.
Varun.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have gone, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, start, sir. Start, sir.
After the open market, start, sir. It is gone, sir. At that time,
But
it was
Varun
there,
is
sir.
saying, Varun or somebody are saying like not able. Okay. Shall we
Sir,
go
it
for?
is visible, sir. It is
Okay, check.
visible.
Visible, sir.
Yeah.
Visible,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Please
Sir,
maintain silence, children. Please maintain.
Visible, sir.
Mute all, sir.
It is visible whiteboard, sir.
Okay, Puta. Thank you. Thank you. I'm muting all. Okay. Then I have gone for sharing you this. Right.
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Correct. That's what. I was actually waiting for same. Then.
Sir, mute all, sir.
Yeah, I have muted. I have muted children. I have muted. Yeah. See, first one. I brought a ruler. Okay. This is a ruler where I use this ruler to draw straights. Okay. Suppose if I want to draw a line segment of 3.5 centimeter, I will mark here. I'll mark here and draw a line like this. Okay. Now, this line segment which I have drawn is of a 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Have you understood? I will mark its ends as AB. Is it clear to you all? Yes. That's good. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I want to draw a circle with the radius 3.5 centimeter. Then what I will do? I will get a compass. Okay. I'll get a compass. In this compass, I have a one metal end. I am taking it to one of the corner. And I have another metal end, pencil end, bringing it to B. Right? Now, I will move right. Okay. Now, yes. Now I'm moving it to, can you see? I have drawn a circle.
Sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
this circle, let me take out this. Okay. So, this circle is having its radius being 3.5 centimeter. Okay. In this circle, this A is called center and AB line segment is called, or length of the line segment AB also can also be called as radius. Okay, radius. And the red line which I have got, this red line portion, we call it as a circle. Okay, or I call it as circumference of a circle. Okay, circle or the total length of that circle, total length of that boundary is called circumference of a circle. Suppose I want to know its diameter. What should I do? I have to have a point on the circumference of a circle or on the boundary of the circle, and I must pass through the center and draw with the another point lying on the circle only, like this. This is called diameter. Let's say diameter PQ is a diameter. Okay, PQ is a diameter. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Very good.
No, sir.
Shall I?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Shall I go for another very simple one? One more set
Yes, sir.
square I'll show you.
Sir.
Okay. I'll
Yes, sir.
take away. I will
Yes,
take away
sir.
all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Children, you have to write down all of these things. Okay. I am just teaching you. I will not give notes. I am a person who just teaches to the best, and I'll ask you to write down on your own after learning, after understanding. Okay, you have to write on your own.
Sir, will you upload this in
No.
YouTube?
Video I will upload. Video I will upload, but not give you notes. Notes after understanding, after listening, you should make on your own. When you start making notes on your own, then you will put your mind and soul there. Okay? The thing what you written by you while watching, understanding, that remains permanent. Now, let's come
Yes, sir.
for set square. This is a set square. Okay, you can watch this set square having both of its, okay, from here to here, one end, okay, from here to here, another end, they being equal. And you know, here we have got angles 45 degrees, right? 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, this is how we will have this set square. And in this set square, this longest side which I am drawing, this is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. HYP. Hypotenuse. 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 Okay. And one of this side, let's say here we have got a triangle AB formed. Here hypotenuse is AC and the other two sides AB and BC are called perpendicular legs. In this right angle triangle, this side AB and BC are called perpendicular legs. Okay. Normally in this square, we will have 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees. Then you have seen another set square. Let me wipe out all these things which I have written. Okay.
Sir, this is 45 degree or 90 degree?
See children, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, and here is the 90 degree. 90 degrees here. Clear?
Sir, this is from Pythagoras theorem, sir.
आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम भी पता है. बढ़िया बढ़िया विनीत. तो
Yes, sir.
पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में तो मतलब 7वीं कक्षा में आएगा. आपको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का बारे में ही पढ़ते हैं. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
Yes, sir. 90 degree right angle triangle.
एक्सलेंट, डन. तो ये सेट स्क्वायर एक्चुअली हम पैरेलल लाइंस को ड्रा करने के लिए और परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस को ड्रा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कैसा मैं फिर बताऊंगा. ओके, देन आई विल शो यू अनदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ओके, दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू. आई विल गो फॉर another instrument which I have shown you how to use. I will show you. This is the other What is this called? You know, fifth one?
Protector.
Yes,
Protector,
this is
sir.
called protractor.
Protector, sir.
Protractor. Good. See, इसका क्या फायदा है, इसका क्या पर्पस है? ओके, मैं बताऊंगा। पहला
सर
देखो,
सर,
आपको यहाँ पे
इसको सर्कल बनाने में फायदा है
डिग्री
सर।
पता कर सकते हैं सर।
We can count
वेरी
angles on that.
गुड, बढ़िया,
सर हम
We can count angles on that, sir.
डिग्री
करेक्ट।
ट्रायंगल
अब मैं
का
जो
कौन सा डिग्री है पता कर सकते हैं।
यस, एक्सलेंट। अब देखो मैं यहाँ पे तो
We
एक,
can count angles on that, sir.
यस, अब देखो मैं यहाँ पे एक एंगल बनाया हूँ, इसका एंगल
Yes, sir.
कितना है करके मेजर
सर।
कर सकते हैं।
प्रोटेक्टर
So
लगाकर
Yes,
देख
sir.
सकते हैं सर।
Protector लगाकर देख
मापने के
सकते हैं
लिए
सर।
इस्तेमाल होगा। इस
We can use
एंगल को मापने के
protractor
लिए
for that, sir.
हम यूज करते हैं। प्रोट्रैक्टर को चांद करके बोलते हैं हिंदी में। ओके, इस चांद को इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम वी मेजर द एंगल। ओके, एंगल एओबी बन गया है यहाँ पे। इस एंगल एओबी कितना है पता नहीं है हमको, वो मेजर करेंगे। कैसे मेजर करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
देखिए, इसमें हमको दो भाग होता है। सी देयर इज अ वन सेंटर।
Yes.
हर्ष बताइए।
Sir, that center we have to keep in at the point of motion.
देखिए, यहाँ पे एक
प्रोटेक्टर
सेंटर है
360 डिग्री
और
नहीं होता सर।
360 भी मेजर कर सकते हैं घुमा के। ओके,
But it is 180 degree.
yes, chand
Yes,
is
sir.
half a circle which will have 0 to 180 degrees written on it. Okay, here
Yes, sir.
normally a protractor will have two halves. We will call one half as, okay, right half. Okay, this is right half of the protractor, and there is opposite side, this is left half. Okay, can you observe? Left half is here. If you observe in your geometry box, that protractor will have angles written from here to here also, from here to here also. Okay, 0 to 180, from here 0 to 180, like this. Remember always which half is coinciding. Like, I'm going to take it this. I will take this center of the compass on the vertex of an angle. आपको पता है vertex का मतलब, एंगल में जहां पे एंगल बन रहा है उसको बोलेंगे हम vertex. वर्टेक्स के पास हम चांद का सेंटर लेके जाएंगे और एक घुमा के किसी एक हाफ को वन ऑफ द आर्म के ऊपर लाएंगे। ऐसे मैं लाया हूं, आपको पता चल रहा है? अब मालूम हुआ? यस।
Yes, sir.
नाउ अब देखिए, यहां से
35 degree.
यस,
सर
राइट
35
हाफ
डिग्री
कोइंसाइड हुआ ना?
35 डिग्री।
यस, 35 डिग्री हुआ। यहां से मेजर करना शुरू
Yes.
करेंगे। ये 10, ये 20, ओके, ये 20 हुआ, ये 10 हुआ, ये 30 हुआ, और 30 और 40 के बीच में है। यहाँ पे लगभग 36 है, शायद 35 से थोड़ा ज्यादा, 6 के पास पास आ गया। सो 36 डिग्री से। इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन?
Yes, sir.
So
Sure, sir.
angle AOB is 36 degrees. अगर
35.7.
अगर हमको इस तरफ से मेजर करना था, तब क्या करेंगे? इसको हम ऐसे घुमाएंगे। अब देखिए, तब यहाँ पे सेंटर लाया और यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हाफ को मैं कोइंसाइड कर रहा हूं। लेफ्ट हाफ को कोइंसाइड करने से तब मेरे को आएगा उस तरफ से मेजरमेंट। यहां से मेजर करना पड़ेगा, यहां से मेजर करना पड़ेगा, यहां से 10 और 20, 30 और 6, सो टोटल 36 डिग्री इस तरफ से मेजर करेंगे। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर विच हाफ ऑफ द protractor is getting coincided with the one of the arm. From there we start measuring. जिस हाफ ऑफ protractor किसी एक आर्म से कोइंसाइड हो रहा है, उस तरफ से हम मेजरमेंट करना शुरू करना है। इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? Yeah, put thumbs up if it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Stop sharing here.
Sir, its reflex angle is 324, sir.
बढ़िया यार,
324
बढ़िया.
degree angle, sir.
Excellent. कौन है? हर्षवर्धन, हर्ष वैद्यनाथन.
Harsh
बढ़िया,
Vidyavan, sir.
वेरी गुड.
Yes,
रिफ्लेक्स
sir.
एंगल के बारे में ही
Sir,
पता है
we
आपको.
also
बढ़िया,
learned it in yeah,
Good.
entrance examination, sir.
गुड गुड. आपको रिफ्लेक्स
Yeah,
एंगल का
entrance
बारे में तो
examination
अब नहीं आएगा बेटा, फिर आएगा, मैं तब बताऊंगा. ओके, तो
Sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
यही फिर आ गया. नहीं,
Sir, it is
ये नहीं
gone,
चाहिए.
sir.
ओके,
सर आपका
मैं
प्रेजेंटेशन जा रहा है.
ओके, मैं प्रेजेंटेशन को लेके जाना चाहता था. ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन आ गया आपका. प्रेजेंटेशन, मुझे पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए. प्रेजेंटेशन आ गया. ओके,
नो. यस सर.
आया प्रेजेंटेशन.
No,
हाँ,
sir.
यस
अब
सर.
देखिए
अभी
प्रेजेंटेशन में
व्हाइट बोर्ड
आपको
दिख रहा है.
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के बारे में
दिख
दिखाना
रहा
था
है सर.
मुझे. ओके,
Sir, on the categories, sir. Sir, the protractor, sir. Yes, sir. It is a semicircle.
या द प्रोट्रैक्टर. आप ये लिख सकते हैं प्रोट्रैक्टर का मतलब. प्रोट्रैक्टर का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोट्रैक्टर? इट इज अ सेमी सर्कुलर
It is a
डिवाइस
semicircle
which is
device which is
used,
divided
which
into
is
8
okay, which is, पढ़िए. read.
times.
Which is divided into 180 degree
The
parts.
protractor
It is a semicircular device which is
Yes,
divided
part.
into three parts.
into 180 degree
It starts from the 0 degree from the right hand side and ends with the 180 degree on the left hand side and vice versa.
इवन यहाँ पे
It
भी
is
जीरो शुरू हो रहा है. देखिए, जीरो से शुरू हो रहा है, फिर इस तरफ आएगा,
Yes.
180 डिग्री से शुरू, आई मीन एंड हो जाएगा. ओके, then
Okay,
it is
sir.
used for mainly, what is the purpose of a protractor? To measure the angles and even to
Angle.
draw the angles also. Okay, it is
Yes,
used
sir.
for measuring the angles and to draw the
Left
angles also.
sir. And voice
Yeah,
is used to measure and draw angles.
perfect. Then moving on to the last concept of today, circle.
Yes, sir.
It is a round shape in which all the points of its boundary, in which all the points, whichever the point you take, all the points, they are at equal distance. और सेंटर ए से लेकर एस का भी डिस्टेंस सेम होगा, और ए से आर का भी डिस्टेंस सेम होगा, और ऐसा each point on the circle boundary, each point will be equidistant from the center. Okay, that is the meaning of a circle. Okay, with this I will stop today's class. Okay children, it's already time. Take care of you. We
Okay,
will
sir.
continue further in our next class. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.